What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Orlando Coupon Queen back at a Walmart. I'm giving Ross a little break. I went to Ross this morning and I went to like smaller stores, but they didn't really have nothing. I did find some cute Minnie Mouse shoes. I am going to Disney on Sunday, so I thought they were perfect for Sunday. I am at a local Walmart. I'm at the Walmart that I'm always at. If you guys are local, this is the summer on Walmart. Got a DM that there's a lot of toys, a lot of Barbie items for like $5 to $3. So let's go see if we can find some like 90% off. I'm over by the clearance section. The clearance section has some toys. I'm gonna go head over to the actual toy department soon. But I did find some goodies. We found this for Real Pet, which retails to $15 and it is $2 now. So here's the barcode for that. I know you guys love it when I show you guys the barcodes. We also have this rain bicorns. So weird. Retails to $10 and now it's on clearance for $3. Here's a barcode for that one. A couple little live pets here was $10 and now it's $3. Other items here, we have some slime. Play-Doh slime was $4 and now it is $1. So far so good. We're on to a great start. We have this Batman. I don't know what this is. Something certified toy. We have a couple items here. This is $10, $9. This light up scooter was $15 and now it's $10. This one here, I know I've shown you guys so many times. This one actually went down again to $20. It was $50, so now it is $20. Ooh, we have some Wet n Wild. So finally these Wet n Wild items are going down. This one is $2.50. It's a little SpongeBob collab. So all the SpongeBob collabs are going down. I've seen other people post it for like $1. So far it's only half off. I honestly don't think it's gonna stay here though. I think it'll probably be like sold out by then. We have a mirror, car mirror, $15. This sound system, which I've always shown you guys, it was $112 for Black Friday, and then I showed you guys when it was $80, and then I showed you guys when it was $70, and now it's $60. So it's like going down little by little, but it's going down. Couple detailing kits here. Hammock for $10. It was $35. Oh, this feels really good too. It's like nice and cozy. It does say it's cozy. That's nice. I like that. It looks like they're redoing the whole entire toy section, and here is everything that's on clearance. I'm still gonna go through the toys just in case I find some other things on clearance. But y'all, I am in clearance heaven. I know I always say that, but we are. So we have these cute little mini dolls for 75 cents. I already showed you guys this for $2. We have this My Little Pony for $6. My favorite find is probably this Tamagotchi. It is $5. $5 for this Tamagotchi. I'll probably get one because my daughter does have one, but she likes these, and I know if you have two of them they can like communicate. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of those. And then there's like the little boy Tamagotchi ones. I wonder if there's different designs. No, it's just those. We have Barbie Chelsea Candy was $15 and now it's $4. So here's the barcode for that. We have more over here. This one is the little dolls, also was $15 and now it's $6. Barcode for that one. We have a couple LOL. The LOLs are a really great buy. So this one was almost $40 and now it is $10. Spirit Queen. Oh, stay there, honey. Okay, there's that. And don't forget, you guys can also check Brickseek for prices. LOLs $3 where it was $11. These little adorables, I think they're just so cute because anything Disney is cute in my opinion. We have some Raya, super adorable, $3. Oops, $3. $13.43 was the previous price. $7 for this Polly Pocket. And then I grabbed one of these for my nephew. It's like a little fish. I'm guessing it swims. It says it swims like a real fish. It was $9 and now it's $2. This one's super adorable. Also, this is the holiday Barbie. I know these are like a lot of people collect these, but it was $40 and now it is $5. Another Barbie, $5. There's a lot of Barbies for only $5. Oh, we got some lightsabers for $2. Babe, do you want a lightsaber? Lightsabers $2. We have this My Life accessories, $2. Mario, $3. Those littles, $2. There was a Frozen little thing. I should have taken a video of it. It was, I think, $10. I forgot. Here we are, store number 2. I had to run over here. I didn't run because, you know, your girl does not run in Crocs, but I literally was driving like 80 miles per hour for the store because there is something which I'm hoping, I'm crossing my fingers that I find it here, because I've been wanting this item for months. I saw a TikTok viral video about it and I was like, yeah, I need it in my life, and I was not gonna pay like $200 for it. And let's see, it's on clearance here and I'm hoping that I can find it. Fingers crossed, and I think I see it from here. Here is what I've been looking for. I know if you guys follow me on Instagram, I have been dying for these. I have been dying for these because I saw a whole viral TikTok about it, and I love Ninja products. My whole entire kitchen is basically Ninja except for my knife set. And you guys, I've been eyeing this. It was $127 and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna take the L and take it at $127. And I was about to, I was this close. I was this close on getting it. And then I got an alert yesterday from Brickseek showing that it was $75. And then it looks like today, because today's 28th, it got marked down to $50. I'm so excited. This makes me so happy. This makes me so happy. It makes me so happy. Anyway, so yeah, $50 for this. This is the Ninja Foodie Neverdull. Let me go ahead and show you guys the barcode for this. Here is the barcode for this. And I am so excited. So it shows that there's a lot on clearance at this location. So I'm gonna go ahead and scan the store real quick. I wanna check that over there, the vacuum, because I know a couple of my influencer friends have posted that it's on clearance. So I'm gonna go ahead and check that too, but I'm excited. Over here, again, this store has a whole bunch of clearance. I kind of want one of those clearance balloons. Bras over here, normally almost $8, and they're on clearance for $3. So these are like great bras for like being around the house. Hello. I don't think they have, oh, they do have my size. Okay, so we have a couple bras here, $3. And then we have a couple clothing over here, like these men's joggers. They are $4. They were normally $16. Some shirts, but I showed you guys these shirts last time that I was at a different location. They were actually $1. More bras over here. Again, we have these sports bras for $3. Probably grab one for my mom. I'm guessing that the home, like this area, like the home appliance area, is getting marked down. So I'm gonna go continue to scan the rest of the sections. But this one here, I also saw it on Brickseek. It's showing up as $59.88 regular price, but when you scan it with the Walmart app, it's actually $39. So $39 for this. Here's a little example of it. It's pretty cool, but I don't need it. I already have a Ninja one that's kind of similar, so I don't really need it. Flannel sheet sets. So these are usually like for Christmas and like the holidays, because you know they retain the heat, but we can't relate because we're in Orlando. Although Orlando will be having a huge cold front on Sunday, so yeah. Anywho, we have these twin size flannel ones. They are $6. Full size is $9. They're normally, look at that, they're normally $21. That is crazy. The queen size is $10 over there. So it looks like full $10. But here we have the twin size. Soft, cozy, and warm. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the SKU for that. And again, all these are on clearance here. These are also on clearance, so this is a great price even for a king size. There's a king size, it's a comforter set, so it comes with a comforter and 2 shams. Only $15 for this one, normally at almost $40. Here is the SKU for that, the barcode. Pretty sure these might be cheaper, I'm not sure. Shows that like all like the full queen, they're all $15. I still gotta recheck it just in case. Sometimes the employees might be a little bit lazy and we'll just scan this one once and then reprint it for all of them. But I think this is the price because it does say FQ, so FQ stands for full queen. These are still full price, kinda. No, these are actually on clearance for $16, but I wouldn't get it yet because I wouldn't get it. It's a little bit expensive for me. I am over by the clearance section and there's like a lot of furniture type of organization things on clearance. There's like a lot. I also saw this on Brickseek. So this shows that it is $259 normally and it's $75. I low-key want it. It's so beautiful. I saw it online and I fell in love with it. Then we have this one here. This is it's like a 12 cube organizer. Again, it's pretty. It was $130 and now it's $75. There's no picture to it though. No picture to it. We have this over here. It's $30. This one is $175. That's a little bit too much though. And then we have this student desk over here. I forgot how much it was. I think this one was like $30 and now it's only $25. Okay, Sanford, what are y'all doing? If y'all live here or around here, this store is loaded with clearance. We have this cart here, $15. I also found a really good find since my daughter is getting older and school. Fail. I told y'all. I'm always dropping something. Her school does require some of these type of calculators. So this one here retails to $19 and it's on clearance for $5. We have other items here. They just put it right here. They just left it here, but everything here is on clearance. So we have these bubble mailers for $4. This Discovery thing, it's like a toy. This right here, it's cute. It looks like Wally. Look at the turtle. The turtle is adorable. It was $20 and now it is $8. These over here, which look at this. This is like Valentine's Day. It looks like from last year, you guys. It looks like this is all back stock. So this here, Valentine's Day baking cups, $1. We have, what else? Don't know what else is in there. I don't feel like digging up in there, but majority of this stuff is clear. Walking around the corner, I spotted this. So it's the same aisle that I found my Ninja Foodie Never Dull knives, but this one is $30. Over here, the Instapot, which is, let me see how big it is, see if it's worth it or not. Oh, it's 8 quarts, so it's definitely worth it. I have one very similar to it and I love it. Here is the barcode for that one. So there's that for $30. I think these retail to like almost $100, I want to say, at least. I know at least $80, and it's only on clearance for $30. These Mickey and Minnie ring lights, it's so adorable, for your phone with adjustable lighting, are only $2. $2 for this, and this is adorable. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one because it's super cute. Kind of sounds a little broken, but we're gonna grab this one. This one sounds better. Also, shout out to my followers because I posted these knife sets like, I want to say like 30 minutes ago, and if we look over here where they were at, there's literally only 2 left, and that thing was full. So shout out to my followers. They're probably still in there in this store, but they haven't spotted me yet, so shout out to them. Oh, over here we have a ring light, a small ring light here for $9. It was $20. This star ring light is for $50. It was, I think, $6.88. Over here, this is a, what is this? A pocket heat. We might need this in Orlando. I'm legit probably gonna buy this for Disney on Sunday because it's gonna be cold. We have one of these things, $2. These are really good. I bought a couple of them during Black Friday because they were $10 for Black Friday, and now they're $7.50 here. That vlog, oh, this is kind of cute. I like this. It's like a vlogging ring light, and you can put your phone there too, and it's only $5. This is really cute, honestly. Look at this. You can just set this up anywhere and like vlog away or just record. Okay, I don't need this though. I have so many ring lights that it's not even funny. Literally not even 5 minutes later, I saw a guy walk in. He grabbed 2 of them and just quickly walked out. Like, he ran in here and left. But there it is. There's no more left. These Pioneer Woman mini slow cookers. They're super tiny. I think there's 2 of them, right? Yeah, it's a 2-pack. It's a 2-pack slow cooker. They're on clearance for $7. Finally, they're going lower at my area. I've seen so many people post the same ones, and my store was like not budging whatsoever. And now these are finally $7. Let me go ahead and show you guys the SKU number for that. There is the barcode for that one. I'm also seeing there is a couple Pioneer Woman, like those trash cans over there. They are $13. Alrighty, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely, if you guys are local, hit up this Walmart. The Ninja Never Dull, they went super quick. I posted it, and within 45 minutes they were all gone. So shout out to my followers because they probably bought them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also check next week for Ross. You never know if like stores are still behind and they're still going to be continuing to mark down, so make sure to also check your stores. And we will be entering February. We can expect a lot of baby clearance. So a lot of baby clearance strollers. I've seen already a couple baby clearance items. I think there's like a couple of them are like 30% off, but they do go a lot lower, like about 80% off during February. So we're really excited for baby clearance that's coming. Valentine's Day, so after Valentine's Day clearance also will be coming up, so stay tuned for that. So make sure you guys are hitting that notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you guys are being notified. And yeah, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.